pay thing, yo. You hear them say? Mama move one way. Move one way. Oh, she's so bad. Move one way. Funny domino up there, sir. Dominoes are going with things. Dominoes active, you see me? Yeah, that is it. Domino, you can't miss it, Domino logo, you know. Yeah. All when you're drunk. You're not supposed to miss Dominoes. Especially when you're drunk, you need a slice of Domino's pizza to make you sober. So you shouldn't be missing out at that time. Not that time there, bro. Still not get you. Yo, you know say the hardest thing is to wait for people. And that's my favorite thing to do. I don't even have patience when I'm me by myself go somewhere. Right? But you see us there say me and wait, G. That's how the thing said. Wait go up on scale. Oh. MVision TV live broadcasting from Flatbush Avenue. Make one little walk start. Now I try to wreck my camera right now because rain a fall, you know. Rain a fall start, but I try to wreck my little camera dog. What I do? Oh, that a charge it. Regina soap some things and thing and thing and thing and thing. Hey, them fit on over here saying I'm a big dancer. Talk it truth. Since them have so much posters already and all of this, then just turn it in a dance hall. Brooklyn need a nice dance hall in a Flatbush area. They fit on it in a dance hall, man. Yeah, man, big man thing. Salon and thing, the females them out the door. Yes, in the turn up. Mama them turn up. Yeah. Mama them turn up, man. You know Flatbush there. Pretty ladies them out the door. That's righteous. Express yourself and tell people the facts. Don't hold nothing back. Don't hold nothing back. Expression. Then I get through. You know what I'm saying? This was a this building is amazing. This was a fruit stand, you know. Enough people don't know. This was a fruit stand. This was like my favorite spot to buy fruit. Because now we're like Flatbush. We're always active out here. One thing about us from the Caribbean. Out here, Flatbush, full of Caribbean people. You should have just call it Caribbean City. Here we are going now, them need to put the dance hall right up there so them have the little space up there. But you know, say one of them big tower here, them want to put up there still, you see me? It's a tower I go up there. We don't even have to ask charge it. You know, say it's a tower them want to put over there, but in a real life still, you know, say a party we say and them things, but that building a turn up still. It used to be a fruit place. People go get them fruits and such and such and such. You know. Whoa.
Get yourself some representation. I don't know if like you
Almost out of battery. People tap up the like, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. More vlogs on the way. More vlogs on the way. So make sure you subscribe for more. You hear that? Yeah. I get cold and now start. As you can see, MVision open like how Domino's sign open. You see it? You see the Domino's sign say open. MVision TV we outside we open. Dollar van. Dollar van. Gucci. Broadcasting live from the hustling city. Pop, 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 pop. You're making money from the books, you know, you see that? I want the most hustling city this year, you. Miss I make a girl turn her neck till it pop. Pocket got cash. That Kyle up. Oh. Young Bob, I need to